Hi, I'm Julie from Sky Point Kennel, and Paul's over here today, and we are going to take my pups. I have 6 Vizsla puppies that are 7 weeks old and 5 German Shorthaired puppies that are 6 weeks old, and we are going to introduce them today for the first time outside to all the wonderful outdoor environments like grass and nature. So I hope you enjoy this film. Come on, puppies! Come on.
Come on, little guys. Come on, let's go. Yay! Yay! Come on, let's go. I know. You're a good doggy. Oh, what good dog. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, boy, oh, boy. Atta boy, come on. Yay! Yay! Oh, boy, oh, boy. Isn't this fun? Isn't this fun? Oh, yeah, you get that weed. Oh, yeah. It's funny the way they go. Is this a little girl? Girl, yes. The little girl, yeah. This little liver guy is really,
Hey, puppies!
Come on!
Woohoo! Pup, 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 pup. Hey, I'm over here.
There's always
Hi! Hi! Little Vizsla boy! Come on! Hi! Come on!
Says I don't like the grass. Come on, let's go.
Come on!
Come on.
He's adventurous. He wants to go see all that stuff.
Come on. Come on, little puppy. Come on, let's go.
I'd go get you, but everybody's going to follow me. Yay!
Yay! Here he comes. Yay!
That's the one that's available.
Is he?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He wanted to see what was in that doghouse.
Yeah. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, now I'm mad at you. Don't you do that to me. Huh? Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. He's got a leaf. I know. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got the lead now. Oh, yeah. Aren't we tough? Oh, my God. You're too funny. Yeah, we got 3 of them over there now.
Oh!
Oh. Silly
Hi,
dog.
puppies! Come on!
Come on, little liver guy. This is where the action. Oh, he's got himself a lead. Oh, yeah. What you got there? Yeah.
Bird Dogs Afield, presented by Native Performance Dog Food and brought to you in part by RST Shot Shells, Mud River Dog Products, Eat Shoe Dryer, Wooden Stream Outdoor Footwear, and On Point Kennel.